All right, here we go. So just like yesterday's notes, I'm going to take which number and find the multiple factors. The last number, which is actually negative 80. So I like to make a little list off to the side. Right? Does that make sense? Or does, I'm telling you it makes sense. Take this number, find all the factors. So what multiplies to make negative 80? Let's start at the bottom. 1, hold on, 1 times what? Negative 80, right? 1 times negative 80. And then you can switch the signs, negative 1 times 80. Okay, let's go up 1. 2, does 2 go into 80? 2 times negative 40 and negative 2 times 40. 3, I'll just spoil it for you, does not work, but let's try 4. 4 times what? Negative 20 and negative 4 times 20. 5 times negative 16, negative 5 times 16. Okay. 6 doesn't work, 7 doesn't work, but what about 8? 8 times negative 10, negative 8 times 10. And 9 doesn't work, and that's about it, because once you get to 10, you've already got that on the board, okay? Now, we did all of that, and if you weren't here yesterday, here's why we do all that. Because you weren't here yesterday. Okay, I'll point it out. Now, check it out. Which one of these pairs adds up to make this middle number negative 11? So we'll do the math real quick. If you add the first two, you get negative 79, positive 79. Okay, if you add these two right here, you get negative 38, positive 38. If you add these two right here, you get negative 16, positive 16. None of that's what I need. Let's go to the last two just real quick. 8 minus 10 is negative 2. It's not the last two, but right in here, 5 and 16, the difference of those numbers sounds like it could be 11, but I want to make sure it gives me a negative 11. So which one of these gives me a negative 11 when I add them together? Okay, so negative 16 and positive 5. If you add those together, you do get negative 11. Okay, if you picked negative 5 and 16, that would give you a positive 11, which is close but no cigar. Okay, so again, negative 16 and 5, this one, is our pair. So do you see how the puzzle works? Multiples that make the third number that add up to make the middle number. Okay, cool. So let's write this out. Here's how you write this. You have 2 parentheses. X goes on both. And then in these two spaces, you're going to put 5, positive 5, and negative 16. So plus 5, minus 16. This is what we did on our notes yesterday. That's something y'all missed for some reason. So make sure you understand this. You find all the factor pairs, and then find which one adds up to make the middle number. That'll give you your 2 factors. You have to be able to do that when we get to 8.2. So that's why we took a little detour into 5.0 3 minutes ago. Okay. So, short class, you got time to work on this, unless I interrupt you with some corrections you need to do, okay? Let me reiterate. Corrections are a solo project, not with anyone around you. So, here we go.